Welcome to Make Money Online with Snaphub, the podcast that will guide you on your journey to building a successful online business. In partnership with Snaphub, we provide a comprehensive program that covers everything you need to know about starting and running a thriving online business. With access to our team of experts, you'll receive guidance on product selection, website creation, effective marketing strategies, and ongoing support. Join us as we unveil the benefits of partnering with Snaphub and help you achieve your online business goals. In today's episode, we'll cover building a successful online business with Snaphub, including expert guidance, product selection, and website creation. Welcome to the first episode of Elevate Your Online Business, brought to you by Snaphub. And today we're diving into the exciting world of building a successful online business with the help of Snaphub. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a moment to talk about Snaphub. Snaphub is a powerhouse when it comes to online business solutions. They provide a wide range of services and expertise to help budding entrepreneurs like you thrive in the digital landscape. In this episode, we're going to explore the foundational aspects of partnering with Snaphub. We'll discuss the incredible benefits of having access to their team of seasoned experts, the importance of choosing the right products to sell, and why a high-converting website is essential for your success. Let's start by talking about expert guidance. One of the greatest advantages of partnering with Snaphub is the incredible knowledge and experience they bring to the table. Their team of experts has been navigating the online business world for years, and they're here to share their insights with you. With their guidance, you'll be able to avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions that set you up for success. Now let's move on to the importance of choosing the right products. It's no secret that product selection plays a vital role in the success of your online business. With Snaphub, you don't have to worry about going through this process alone. Their experts will be by your side, helping you through market research, identifying profitable niches, and selecting products with high demand. With their assistance, you can rest assured that your business is starting off on the right foot. But it's not just about finding the right products. It's also about creating an online presence that converts visitors into customers. That's where Snaphub's website creation services come in. Your website is the face of your business in the digital world, and it needs to make a lasting impression. Snaphub understands this, which is why they go beyond just product selection. They'll help you design a user-friendly, visually appealing website that's optimized for conversions. A well-designed website can significantly boost your sales and give you a competitive edge in the online business landscape.